So hello everybody, this is Shivam back again with a new video on a video series of CSI and HRF Earth Sciences. So this time we are going to make something new, something different. Hope you like this video. So in this video I am going to explain what happens if we turn Earth into a black hole using this Universe Sandbox app. Now let's talk about Universe Sandbox. So this app, can you see this? This is basically interactive space gravity simulator. It's kind of a video game, and you can say it's kind of educational software. Using this Universe Sandbox app, you can create effects of gravity on the objects of universe. You can run scales of simulations of solar system, various galaxies, comets, meteoroids. You can play with asteroid belt, Kuiper belt. You can generate your own parallel universe. Everything is over here. Okay, so it is available on Windows. You can download it for Mac OS as well as Linux. Okay, so let's see what happens if we convert Earth into a black hole. So let's talk about what is a black hole first. So black hole is a region of a space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape from it, even a particle, even a electromagnetic radiation such as light, whose speed is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, basically the density of this black hole, this dark region, is so intense, the gravity is so intense that nothing can escape from it. Okay, so if you decrease the radius of any body to its Schwarzschild radius, okay, it get converted into black hole. For that we have to decrease the radius and increase the mass. Okay, so let's see our solar system first. It's a 3D view of solar system. This is Milky Way galaxy, central region of Milky Way galaxy. Here we have black holes, a lot of black holes, quasars possible. Let's see our sun first. This is our sun, and even this is this whole solar system is rotating around our central region of Milky Way galaxy. You can see from each and every angle, right? Okay, so because of this barycenter concept, even the sun is revolving in a orbit. It's on a small orbit, you can say. Okay, so let's see what happen when we convert Earth into a black hole. So here we have Earth, right? What we do is, first we decrease the speed. Right now it's day per second. Let's make it minute per second. Now it's hour per second, and little bit more and more. Yeah, now it's slow, everything is slow, right? The speed is rotation, revolution speed is in minute per second. Now what we do is just click on Earth and zoom it further. Here we can see this is our Earth, right? Mother Earth, Mother Nature. And this side is the dark part since it is away from the sun. Okay, and this is towards the sun. So yeah, and this line is called terminator line. If what happen if we increase the speed, see, rotation will increase. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, rotation, revolution both will increase. So what we do is, let's make it slow, further slow, or yeah, that this is quite enough, I guess. Make it in minutes per second. Yeah, that is quite enough. Okay, so yeah, it's okay, so it's 5 minutes per second, right? It's set, all set. Okay, now let's stop it. Everything is in standstill condition. Okay, so here we can see our Earth. Make it big on the solar scale level. Now what we do is simply we click over here. Okay, here we can see a small pop-up window. Now what we do is click over here. Here we have radius as well as mass. Make this radius very small in meters. Here we can see shape of Earth also. So what happen if we compress the Earth, it will something look like this. So right now say it's in meter, make it meter instead of centimeter. Let's make it meter. Okay, it's a lot. इसको थोड़ा सा और increase करते हैं. Make it furthermore. I think this is quite enough. 22 meters. Okay, now radius of the Earth is 22 meter. 44 meter is the diameter, and Mercury is, let's lock it. Okay, now radius is locked. What we do is here we change into the sun, mass of the sun, and clear this, put some very high values like any random very high value. Okay, I think this is quite enough. Yeah, see what happened now. This is black hole now. Can you see this? I'm going to zoom it. See, everything is deformed now. See, the entire space-time is deformed around this black hole. Since this is very massive, it creates a kind of deformation, a kind of depression in a space-time. This is a concept of Einstein's concept. Okay, so here we can see everything is deformed now. Okay, so according to theory of general relativity that predicts sufficient compactness of mass can deform space-time and form a black hole around it. So yeah, here we can see the central region is also deformed. Actually light is deformed. Okay, so whatever the light is coming from that region, from the central region, is now deformed. So let's make it on the scale of solar system. Okay, so now it's all big, right? Our earth is somewhere here. Okay, this is our earth somewhere here. Now let's see what happens if we run this model, this simulation. Just click over here. Now you can see this, each and everything is moving towards earth. Earth is over here. See, just collision takes place. Another collision is about to happen. Can you see this? Mercury is moving towards the earth, sun is moving towards the earth. Now there is two possibility. Either there is collision or there is gravitational slingshot. Both are possible. Okay, so let's see what happened next. Mercury is moving towards it, sun is moving towards it. Iris, it's a kind of asteroid which is moving towards the earth, and boom, another boom. See, it is deformed, right? This is a kind of asteroid which is moving towards it. Oh my god, boom. See, another asteroid is coming towards it. Boom. Can you see this? It's awesome, right? So yeah, this is crazy, man. This is crazy. Use this app, it's very awesome. You can explore many things. Okay, here we have preloaded datas like solar system, asteroids. You can play with core. We have collisions of Milky Way and Andromeda galaxy. We can create our own solar system. We can just learn more about galaxies. Here we have multiple planets, multiple simulation. We can see what happens when we collide sun and earth, sun and moon, and different things. Collision is there, explosions are there, solar system. We can play with solar system. We can create our own multiverse. Okay, so yeah, that's all about this universal sandbox. Okay, so I hope you like my video. Please do comment, like, subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Peace out.